Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 391. Which tense is used for scheduled events in the future? Example train timetables. A. Present continuous. B. Simple future. C. Simple present. D. Future continuous. Correct answer, simple present, the train leaves at 7 a.m. Question number 392. Which tense is used for an action that has just finished? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, present perfect, I have just finished my dinner. Question number 393. Which tense is used for an action that will be completed by a certain time in the future? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, future perfect, by 6 p.m., I will have finished my report. Question number 394. Which tense is used for a past action that had a visible result in the past? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect, his car had broken down, so he was late. Question number 395. Which tense focuses on the duration of an action up to a point in the past? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous, she had been studying for hours before she took a break. Question number 396. Which tense focuses on the duration of an action up to a point in the future? A. Future continuous. B. Future perfect. C. Future perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, future perfect continuous, by noon, he will have been driving for 6 hours. Question number 397. The Earth revolves around the Sun. What tense is this? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, simple present, general truth. Question number 398. I'm having dinner with my parents tonight. What tense is this? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple future. D. Future continuous. Correct answer, present continuous, future arrangement. Question number 399. Columbus discovered America in 1492. What tense is this? A. Simple present. B. Present perfect. C. Simple past. D. Past perfect. Correct answer, simple past, specific past event. Question number 400. I think it will rain tomorrow. What tenses will rain? A. Present continuous. B. Simple future. C. Future continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future, prediction. Like, share, comment and subscribe.